At 6, crews started work on a new project that will help get the Covington Drive wildfire in Carolina Forest under control. Thanks for joining us at 6. I'm Trish Williford.
And I'm Edward Moody. The South Carolina Forestry Commission says the more than 2,000-acre fire is now 80% contained.
News 13's Gracie Fusco joins us live tonight along Covington Drive to tell us how that new project will help speed up containment efforts. Gracie.
Trish and Edward, just like you said, about 45 minutes ago, officials told me that the fire is now 80% contained. They said that their main focus right now is on the mastication project and also working toward full containment. Now, mastication involves thinning out small trees and brush. Now, take a look at your screen. This is the layout and borderline of this project. It's covering the area from Covington Drive all the way to Stony Falls Boulevard. This project will create a 30-foot wide strip from the back of residents' homes into the woods to help prevent the fire from spreading so crews can get to any remaining hot spots. One resident told me while a fire was a concern, he never thought it would be in his own backyard.
We've always been concerned about fire. We've worried about it because of the pine trees that were growing right up next to our yards. But it was a preserve area, so we didn't have any ability to do anything. Never thought it would come where it would start from where it started. We thought it might start from someplace farther away and we would just be on the brunt of the receiving end of it.
The project will take about 10 days to complete. Now on Thursday, the Florida Fire Service plans to hand over control back to the South Carolina Forestry Commission. For now, reporting live in Carolina Forest, Gracie Fusco, News 13.